What's going on, guys? This is Tyler, and I'm going to briefly walk through the different things of data that I decided to record. So let's go through that real quick. So we're just going to go ahead and play the level real quick while I talk about what I did here. So the first thing that what my thing does is at the beginning, it'll calculate how much time you spend in the starting room. And then once you enter here, depending on which direction you go to begin, it will determine if you went left or right to figure out which direction players are going to. So if we go here, we have left left path being taken, and it also will calculate how much times people take damage from boulders. And then it'll let you know if you got the explorer or not. It also calculates your spike damage, how much damage you take from spikes, and it'll also tell you which way you went the second time. So it'll let you know if you went through the right path again or the left path. And I also calculated how much time it takes for the character to go through each of the zones. So zone being the boulder zone or the spike zone, it will calculate how long it took them to get through those areas. And then finally it will let you know if you beat the game and how long it took. So if I just dive in to the code real quick. Blueprints, third person character. Just to show you a bit of what's going on. So we have begin left and begin right to determine which direction they start out in. If we go down here a little bit, we've got keeping track of how much damage they're taking from the boulder and how much damage they're taking from the spike damage. And this is determining which direction that they started out in. And right down here at the bottom, this is taking all of the things that we've been calculated. So the time taken, God Explorer, completed game, the time in zones, spike damage, boulder damage, if they began left, and then they began right. And everything else and the data and everything that's been gathered will be discussed in the PDF.